In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in DocuSign while signing, or more accurately, how to update your signature before you start signing so it appears correctly on your documents. Let's start on your DocuSign dashboard. Go ahead and sign in, and once you're on the main home screen, pause there for a second. Recently, DocuSign has changed how signatures work, and in most cases, you can no longer swap to a completely new signature in the middle of signing a document. That's why we're going to update your default signature first, and then use it when we go to sign. On the dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. From this menu, choose the option called Manage Profile. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control things like your personal info and, importantly, your saved signatures. Once the profile page loads, look for the section or tab labeled Signatures. Click on Signatures. This is where DocuSign stores the signature and initials that it automatically uses when you sign documents. On the Signatures page, you'll see your existing signature entry. On the right side of that entry, there should be a button or drop-down labeled Actions. Click on Actions and then choose Edit. This opens the editor for your current signature. Now you can actually change the way your signature looks. DocuSign usually gives you a few options. You can select a different style from the one suggested, draw your own signature with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature if you prefer that. Take a moment to choose the option that best matches how you want your signature to appear going forward. When you're happy with it, click on Create to save this new signature and initials as your default. With that done, it's time to use your updated signature. Head back to your main DocuSign area and click on Agreements. This is where your documents waiting for action are stored. Find the document you need to sign and click on Sign to open it in the signing view. Inside the document, you'll see the signature and initial fields that need your attention. Click on the signature and initial tools and place them onto the document where required. DocuSign will now use the new signature you just created. Work through all the fields until everything is completed. When you're finished, click on Finish to finalize the signing process. Your document will now be signed with your updated DocuSign signature.